Okay, who's gonna go in? So we do have a inflatable sprinkler for them, you guys, and they're getting wet because it's pretty hot outside right now. Rosie, go in.
It turned a little cloudy. Yeah, but
It's getting cloudy, huh? A little bit?
an ugly thing.
Just a little bit. No, it's beautiful. It's beautiful outside.
Go.
Go, Rosie.
No,
Go.
that's Alela.
Okay, Daniela, go, Daniela. Do it for 10 seconds.
How about 90?
90?
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You guys did 14 seconds.
I can't do it, Mommy.
Let's see. I'm gonna do it for 5 seconds or 10.
I gotta hold it.
Okay, make sure you record over there. Right here. I'm gonna be right there, okay? 5 seconds?
Yeah, 5 seconds. I'll count. 1.
It's so cold, you guys.
What's
My butt is wet. Hold on.
this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait, let me see if they're even wet. Your pants are wet. I'm gonna go now.
I'm gonna have to change, you guys. Look.
Let's just make another day. It's like it's raining.
It's getting cloudy.
It's getting so I feel like it's gonna rain today.
I think it's a 50% chance of rain.
You see, it's already
So you guys better get wet before it starts raining.
It's already raining.
Look at the puddle, you guys. Woo! Go, Rosie! Do it, Rosie, do it.
If you do it, I will give you $100. I'm not gonna give $100. I was just kidding. I'm not kidding. You did it for your face. Okay. It's cold. Can I even go under here? No. Can you think of baby? Baby, Rosie, there's a tunnel here. Okay, I'm coming. Can I go on there? Yeah, I can go in. Rain! It's raining on me! That's it, you can look at the water. Who said yeah? Yeah.
So we just got our stuff from the paletero. I got takis.
I got a rainbow one.
Let's see.
Yours has bubble gum. Mine has bubble gum.
Yummy. A ver, tú, Daniela. She got a raspado, you guys, de vainilla.
And then I got a water again.
Cold water. I don't really eat takis, you guys, but right now I'm like
She was craving
something spicy. I was craving something spicy, so I'm like, should I get a Diablito? Should I get what is it?
Takis.
Yeah, Takis or hot Cheetos with cheese.
Yeah, I use that.
What else is spicy? Not they have nachos with jalapenos.
candy house. It is a house candy. House candy? This is a house candy?
And they are so yummy.
Those are so spicy.
They put Valentina. Oh,
Hot Cheetos.
and limon.
Wait, they don't. Hot Cheetos
You
are
guys-
spicy.
I hope you guys like our video today. Don't forget to give us a
And
thumbs
let
up
us
and subscribe to our channel,
we don't
okay?
let it go wet, so we're not doing it again. Yeah, I'm gonna get wet.
So I'm going to enjoy this beautiful day with my familia, okay, you guys? I love you guys. Bye.
Bye in the house, Candy.
Bye.